Smart City Applications, from Nvisilink, powered by Esprit Technologies Inc.
Today's network applications for low-power edge devices are inherently unsecured and physically incapable to process the growing volumes of data expected in future smart cities. Esprit Technologies' Nvisilink IoT platform bridges the ever-growing gap between wirelessly connecting and protecting the most vulnerable elements of smart cities. The ability to securely monitor, transmit, and evaluate massive amounts of data in real time without fear of network outage from outside threats will be the key to success and safety in the highly connected smart cities of the near future. Founded in 2018, Esprit Technologies has developed a low-power, highly secure, robust network-in-network communication systems on a chip. Esprit embeds and hides secure chaotic ciphers within all network transmission to prove authentication, authorization, and validation at the chip before it ever reaches your home or corporate network.
6 years ago, I embarked on this journey to develop technology to help save soldiers' lives on the battlefield. Then I realized this same technology needs to be in every consumer product. So in 2018, I started Esprit Technology to bring this to the marketplace. With the rapid adoption of 5G and the Internet of Things, we now live in a world of ubiquitous connectivity and untethered mobility. So although Nvisilink was built for the battlefield, it has been reimagined to protect your everyday mobile lifestyle.
Nvisilink. We are at our best where we are needed the most.